Hey everybody, Josh with JDA Science Supply. Learn about all the new technologies from General Formulations to help your wall installations go even better. Talk a little bit about the adhesives or the films that would give installers more confidence when applying vinyl directly to the wall.
That's a great question. So along with the evolution of adhesives, we find different things within the adhesive that make it easy to apply to low surface energy type products or paint that's hard to stick to. So paints that are easy to clean are generally going to be harder to stick to. We have different thickness coat weights, different acrylic adhesives, and then microsphere beaded adhesive like on our 226 wall product. It makes it very easy to apply and easy to remove later cleanly. But again, it's all about the paint and what you're applying it to. In reference to our 234 being a fabric, we have a little thicker coat weight than normal, what helps to apply to a wall that's slightly not smooth, may I say, right? Because we know paint brushes and rollers can kind of depict what that finish is going to look like. But they've come a long way, and we're really looking for easy access to putting it up and then easy clean removal later on. So we really have come a long way.